everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm gonna do something a little bit different and kind of make an abstract bouquet. So I want to make this hand-tied bouquet larger than normal. Usually I like grouping the flowers together nice and tight so it's a nice round dome. But in this case I want it to be a little bit wider, a little bit more airy, and I don't want to use greenery on it. So I've already prepped all my flowers and removed all the greenery. I have some orchids, a couple different varieties of roses, and I've got a little bit of a filler flower there. And I love the color and the look of the pink roses. The yellow ones are going to be my focal flower, followed by the orchid, and then of course the filler is just going to fill in little gaps there. So I'm going to pull the yellow roses out a little bit further, keep them more towards the center because that's going to be the focal point and the main spot that the eye goes to. And I hold the bouquet further down. Let me rephrase that. I hold the stems further down in my hand, and that allows me to make a larger, wider, more airy bouquet. And the beautiful thing about working with artificial flowers is that you can bend those stems and you can really get them to go in the direction that you want. So not only do I want it to be airy, but I still want that dome shape, so I'm able to bend the stems and make that kind of round shape there. So, but I guess the bad part about artificial flowers is sometimes the heads of them come off. I kept having one pop off. And if that ever happens, just grab a glue gun, put a little bit of glue on it, and glue them back on. It's actually not a bad idea to glue all the heads just to make sure that they don't fall off when you're walking down the aisle. But here comes the abstract part. I have these beautiful gold leaves. I couldn't figure out what to do with them, and I just love the way they look with that color combination. It'd be so pretty in kind of like a butter yellow gown, or in a bridesmaid's bouquet if it's a pink dress. Taupe even would be really pretty. But I think it just gives like a neat shape and just such a bright background. It kind of looks just very regal to me. And I put the leaves in a triangle shape. It's an interesting shape that the eye wants to go to, and it's kind of pleasing having the corners poke out there. So you could probably point them all down and cascade them down if you wanted to, but it's kind of like the shape of that. So just something fun to think about, a little bit different, and you can play with it, add to it any way you want. But I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.